Today I'll be reviewing a violin instant bow hold accessory by Things for Strings. This is a universal accessory for violin and viola from the bow hold body series, and I'll be trying it on my full-size violin bow. I'm going to open it for the first time right now. Here it is. And then I'll go ahead and install it on my bow. The installation instructions are in the back of the packaging. The first step is to remove the screw from the end of the bow and separate the frog from the stick. I haven't done this in a very long time. Oh, it just fell off. The next step is to insert the accessory into the bow stick, and basically the thin part of the product has to be facing front and the fatty part has to be facing back, and you just push it in. The next step is to screw the frog back into place. There's a hole on the bow stick where you put the screw back in, tighten it up till your bow hairs are tight again. The next step is to insert this piece called the hold fish into the screw. For this, the tail has to be facing out, and you insert it in, and that's it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and place my hand on a beginner bow hold to start with to feel it out. I love how there's a specific spot to place the pinky. I love the support that the pointer finger gets thanks to this piece over here. And the fatty part in the back really provides a lot of support for the palm. My favorite part about this accessory is that it can also be useful for a more advanced bow hold, since it provides a space underneath to be able to tuck your thumb in, and it really provides some support there so your thumb doesn't slide off. And yeah, I love it so far. Stay posted to see me play the violin with this accessory on. Follow for more.